These are the answers to the difference of squares worksheet. For the first two, we're just going back and looking at greatest common factor. I want to see what's the largest thing that divides evenly into 12, 8, and 16, and that would be 4. And then how many variables can I pull out before one of them is done giving me, and that would be 3. I can't pull out 4. This doesn't have 4 to give me. I can pull out 3 from that, okay? And then I write what's left over. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. I had 4 x's, I took 3 away, so now I have 1 x left over. Negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. I had 6 x's, I took 3 away, so there are 3 left over. 16 divided by 4 is 4. I had 3 x's, I took them all away, so there's none left over. That'd be my answer. Same thing here, I'm looking at 9, 12, 21. What divides evenly into all of them? That would be 3. This had 2 y's, that had 3, but this has no y's to give, so I can't pull any y's out. I can only pull that 3 out. And so 9 divided by 3 is 3. Keep the 2 y's there. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Negative 21 divided by 3 is negative 7. And you keep the 3 y's. So there's nothing you can do with the y's. They are just what they are. That's what we get on that. Okay. Now, 3, 4, 5, 6 want us to solve this by using a difference of squares. Difference of squares always involves 2 terms that are subtracting. Okay, that's the key on this one. If I see 2 terms that are subtracting, I want to think maybe about this difference of squares. X squared is x times x. 25 is 5 times 5, and so this will factor into x plus 5 and x minus 5. And we'll show you another way to maybe understand this tomorrow, but for right now, that's a good way to do it. Same thing here. Y squared is y times y. 100 is 10 times 10. So this would be y plus 10, y minus 10. 16x to the 4th is 4x squared times 4x squared. 9 is 3 times 3. So this would be 4x squared plus 3, 4x squared minus 3. 36x to the 8th is 6x to the 4th times 6x to the 4th. 4y squared is 2y times 2y. So this would be 6x to the 4th plus 2y times 6x to the 4th minus 2y. Then on the second page, we're now going to combine those 2 ideas. We're going to pull out the greatest common factor and then factor what's left over. So in other words, what divides evenly into both of them? That would be 5. It'll leave me with x squared minus 20 divided by 5 is 4. But now I look at this x squared minus 4. X squared is x times x. 4 is 2 times 2. So I can split that into x plus 2, x minus 2. So I get down one level here by pulling the 5 out, and then I get down a second level by doing that difference of squares. Same thing here. What divides evenly into both of them? That would be 10. And I can pull an x out. Now I look at what I have left over. I have x squared minus 49. 490 divided by 10, and then pull an x out. Okay, so now I have x squared minus 49. So that's x times x and 7 times 7. So that'll be x plus 7 and x minus 7. And that'll be my final answer. Okay. Similar here, 8y squared minus 50. What divides evenly into both of them? It's just 2. So that's going to give me 4y squared minus 25. 4y squared is 2y times 2y. 25 is 5 times 5. So this is going to be 2y plus 5, 2y minus 5. That's my answer there. And then for number 10, what divides evenly? Well, I can pull 2 x's out. I can't pull any numbers out. So I'll just take those. If you take 2 away from there, you'll still have 2 left over, minus 100. Well, x squared is x times x. 100 is 10 times 10. So this would be x squared times x plus 10, x minus 10.